Hi guys! Today we'll show you how to create a playlist on TikTok. First, unlock your phone and open TikTok. Once TikTok is open, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. After opening your profile, select any video or photo from your posts and open it. Once the post is open, tap on the three dots at the bottom right side of the screen. Different options will appear. Now swipe left through the available options. You'll see different options, including delete. You can also change the privacy settings of the post if needed. You can also go to Add Post and check the available options. If you don't see a Create Playlist option, it means the feature isn't available on your TikTok account. And that's why you may not be able to create a playlist on TikTok. TikTok doesn't provide the Create Playlist option for every account or region. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more TikTok tutorials.